So just now, I've just arrived at a historic village near the Hob Dock Park, about 2 miles away from it, and these morphs of some of these hens here around here, these female ducks, and I seem to think that these are morphs of that this is a light brown morph of the mallard duck. I don't know. I think you might have to find out on Wikipedia. So there's a there's a drake here that has also got a bluish. These are 2 drakes here. Oh yeah, another one which have got turquoise beaks. Obviously, I keep seeing the exact thing at the JCB in Gloucester. I've seen ducks like that as well. In fact, I may be going to the Hob Dock Park tomorrow to feed the ducks. And there is 2 more hens around here too, obviously, in this village. There's also 2 pairs of more hens. I think they're maybe 3 because I saw a juvenile fly across. So I bet there's 3 down there. Where are you lot going? Oh yeah. Yeah, I bet. I knew it, that was going to happen. You having a sword fight over there. Oh great. People giving them bread again. Don't fall for their tricks, Dale. You don't fall for their tricks. You oh you tricked little. What? Yeah, yeah, you'll know about that then. Once you swallow too much bread down. Probably get avian botulism from that. Yeah, meanwhile with these other ducks, they could get the seeds. They're down there. Whoa! That is huge. You see that duck over there? I've never seen such a chunky neck like that before. I've never seen such a fat neck of a duck before. My gosh. And apparently these ducks, a lot of the drakes down there, some of them also have the same deformity as Gilbert fox. I mean, all ducks around here have probably got deformed necks around here. I mean, they're obviously, reading the comments below, do you see old ducks, do you see, ducks with necks, which digging into their bodies? I mean, what the heck? There's basically like the rest. There's almost like the rest of these deformed ducks around here. They're just born with accidents, obviously. Oh, for goodness sake! Don't get tricked. For goodness sake, there's not the proper food. You'll get fat. Bread isn't good for you, you know, when you're getting fat. No, you're getting fat! Jeez. Why did they all flew off like that?